With this one, we'll go back to basics. Start with the simple Venn diagram. Yeah. So let's let this set represent the number of people who have fever. This set cough. And this set breathing problems. So what we are given is 190 people have a symptom of fever. So we'll start by building it outwards. 30% have all three symptoms, so this says 30. Then 330 persons had a symptom of fever or cough or both. So this is 330. So 330. So what we need to find is the number of people who exhibit at most one symptom. So what we'll do is we'll find the number of people who have at least two symptoms. So we have this, we'll find this, this and this as well. So for this, let this be P, the number of people here is P. So we get, this is 190, the number of people who have fever, plus 220, the number of people who have cough, minus P plus 30. That gives us P equals to 330 minus 220, 110, 50. Similarly for cough and breathing problem, we get 350 equals to the number of people who have cough minus this Q, so we get minus Q plus 30. So this gives us Q equals to 60. And then we get from breathing problem and fever, we have 350 or rather 340 equals to number of people who have fever, 190 plus number of people who have breathing problem minus, this is R. This gives us R equals to 190 plus 220 is 410 minus 30 is 380, 380 minus 340 is 40. So that gives us the number of people who exhibit at least one symptom as 40 plus 60 plus 30 plus 50, which is 180. So the answer is 900 minus 180 upon the total number of people minus people who exhibit at least one symptom upon the total number of people is the probability which we are asked for. So this becomes 0.8. So our answer is 0.8.